Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to enable and use Spotify private session mode for listening privately. Let's get started. Launch the Spotify app on your mobile device. Look for the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear, located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down or navigate to the section labeled Social. Within the Social section, locate the option called Private Session and toggle it on. This will enable the private session mode. Your listening activity on Spotify will now be private. During the private session, the songs you listen to will not be displayed in the activity feed or shared with your followers. Let's discuss about desktop version of Spotify. Launch the Spotify app on your desktop computer. Look for the three dots icon, typically located at the top left corner of the Spotify window. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, navigate to the File section and find the option labeled Private Session. Click on Private Session to enable it. Once activated, your listening activity on Spotify will be private. That's it. Your Spotify listening activity will now be private during the private session. This means the songs you listen to will not be displayed in the activity feed or shared with your followers. The private session will remain active until you manually turn it off. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.